Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to make simple cuboidal epithelium. Okay, and I will teach you the histology of simple cuboidal epithelium. Many students are confused how to draw a histology slides, so I will make it easy. Let's see how to draw a simple cuboidal epithelium. You can follow with me in drawing. If you will see a simple cuboidal epithelium, okay friends, simple means it is a single layer of cells. Simple means single layer of cells. If this is the basement membrane, okay, you can make a cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal means cube shape, where the height and breadth and thickness almost equal. Okay, height, breadth and thickness almost equal. So you can make like this, like this, like this. This is how a cuboidal epithelium looks like. This is the basement membrane, this is the cuboidal epithelium, so cuboidal epithelial cells, and after that you can make the nucleus. The nucleus, if you see the cuboidal epithelium, it is round and centrally placed. It is round like this, okay, like this. If you will see, I have told already, in case of simple squamous epithelium, the nucleus is flat and centrally placed. This is how the nucleus you should draw in simple squamous epithelium. But in case of simple cuboidal epithelium, you can make the nucleus round, okay, and which is centrally placed. You should remember this thing very clearly. This is how the external are asked in the practical examination. Okay, then we will see what is the function. It helps in secretion and absorption, cuboidal epithelium. So where they are present location, they are present in epithelium of the ovary, okay, follicles of the thyroid gland, ducts of the exocrine glands, pigmented epithelium of retina, lens, capsules, certain ducts and tubules of kidney. These are the places where the simple cuboidal epithelium are present. Okay, that basically helps in secretion and absorption of substances. And I will show you the another slide. 1 second. Just see. 1 second. Yeah. See. This is how you can draw a simple cuboidal epithelium. See how the cube. 1 second. See how the cuboidal cells are drawn and how the nucleus is placed in the center. This is how you can draw in your record. Okay, if you want, you can make a note of it. Okay, this is the pictorial representation of the slide. Which slide? Simple cuboidal epithelium. Okay, this is all for today, guys. Thank you. If you like this video, you can hit the like button and make subscribe to us. Thank you.